Hello there, welcome back to our classroom. In today's video, we're going to talk about the tools for constructions. So let's begin. Wondering what are the tools for construction? These tools for construction is not actually what we see in a construction site like bars and hammers. These tools for construction refers to the internet as a vehicle for presenting products created by students. And at the same time, a great way to create lessons and activities for our students. So, here are some tools that can be used for construction. Number 1. Web quests are web-based activities designed to help teachers integrate the internet into the curriculum. It follows the steps with the appropriate live links that are integral part of the web quest. This model was developed by Bernie Dodge at San Diego State University in February 1995. The model spread around the world because teachers find it very useful as students engage in work through the use of resources of the internet. An effective web quest engages the students' higher order thinking skills. It also must have interesting and doable tasks. It also must utilize the resources on the internet and usually involves collaboration through group work. And now we're going to talk about how to create a web quest. Creating a web quest can be very simple. As long as you can create a document with hyperlinks, you can create a web quest. Web quests can be created in Word, PowerPoint, and even Excel. However, to officially call it a web quest, the basic parts and attributes of it should be presented. There are also many online authorizing websites that are used to create a web quest. These are Zonal.com, Filamentality.com, and ZWebQuest. Now, there are 5 basic parts of a web quest. Number 1. Introduction. The introduction provides the background of the web quest. It catches the reader's attention to continue on the web quest. Number 2. Task. The task indicates what the students are required to do. Number 3. Process. The process gives details of the instruction on what the students are going to do. It also includes the links to the different resources in the web. Number 4. Evaluation. The evaluation presents the rubrics on how the students will be graded. Number 5. Conclusion. The conclusion summarizes the entire lesson. It also gives the students the opportunity to give reflection and thoughts about the topic. Another effective tool for construction is web page creation, where teachers are given the opportunity to create their web page and websites for their class. Its advantages are: number 1, a great way to communicate with your students. Number 2, keeps the students informed of any updates. Number 3, keep the parents in looped. The following websites will help teachers create their own websites. Number 1, educatorspage.com. Number 2, weebly.com. Number 3, wordpress.com. And lastly, wix.com. A typical website for a class includes the following components. Number 1, course description. The course description includes the learning objectives, learning goals, including the class schedule and class calendars. Number 2, class rules and regulations. This includes all the things that the teacher requires for the class, including guidelines on how the class will go about. Number 3, announcements and events. This is where the teacher has the opportunity to communicate to his students about anything. Number 4, links related to the subject matter. These include activities, games, tutorials, and related readings. Number 5, materials. This could be any materials that is related to the subject. Number 6, contact information. This includes ways on how the students or parent can contact the teacher. Number 7, bibliography or teacher's link. This link will give all the information about the teacher. It includes here the academic professional background, interests, accomplishments, etc. And lastly, information for parents. This part gives the needed information for the parents. Another great way to enjoy learning is to creating online activities and games. Online activities is a way of delivering fun and interesting activities to the students. Here are the benefits of online activities and games. First, grab the students' attention. It is a good way to focus their attention and actively immerse in it. The students will also learn different skills. Through online activities and games, students develop critical thinking skills, creativity, teamwork, and good sportsmanship. Develop new concepts. Students may be able to grasp new concepts or idea, experiment with it, or take different perspective on the material. It deepens learning. Students are provided with opportunities to apply concepts and practice them to achieve the needed skills. The following websites offers online activities and games for students. Number 1, Kahoot.com. Number 2, Quizstar.com. Number 3, Kuya.com. And lastly, Zondle.com. And those are the different tools for construction that we can use to make learning easy and fun. And this is the end of this video. I hope this video helps you. And thank you for the opportunity to presenting this report. Thank you.